Kaya Nunakut, and welcome to my first message for 2022. And what a hell of a year it feels as though it's been already. With the pandemic now really having a significant impact in regional WA, I hope you're all looking after yourselves and that you're managing to negotiate your way through the kind of ever-changing environment and restrictions that we have in place. I know that some of you have been struggling with cancellations to events and programs, and I just wanted to let you know that we're fully in support of all of these sort of decisions that you're making, and hopefully you realise that you can turn to us to ask any questions and some advice on what's going on. We're trying to keep our resources page up to date with all the latest information on the government directions and restrictions, so make sure you use that as a first point of contact. And hopefully we've been able to provide a little bit of relief here and there with some of the funding programs that we've either just announced or about to announce, the Cultural Tourism Accelerator Program and the Regional Arts Project Fund, so that hopefully we can all continue to deliver fantastic results for our communities over the next 6 months as we all work together to learn to live with this pandemic. We've got a federal election coming up fairly soon, and we've been working with our national colleagues to put together some messaging so that we hope that there's a standardised arts voice right across the national arts sector when we're advocating to both parties in this upcoming election. So the two key messages are art and culture are everywhere, and art and culture are essential. So we'll be sharing these with you soon, and some invitations for you to take them up and use them, and also speak to your local members and make sure that the voice we have is a truly national one. So I hope you'll join us in that endeavour. Speaking of elections, we've got our own AGM coming up in the first week of May, and so if you are one of our members, please keep an eye out on the papers for that. And lastly, we've been helping out our friends at the Chamber of Arts and Culture, who've been running a statewide survey looking mostly at the financial health of arts organisations and artists, and trying to work out where we can identify gaps and how we can help. So we've been helping them out by making sure that it gets a real regional, as much of a regional reach as possible, and they've very kindly agreed to share the results and the data from that survey with us. So we'll be analysing those over the next couple of months and then be coming back to you about where we can most offer assistance and help. In the meantime, please keep an eye on our website for opportunities in terms of funding and the resource links that we have there, and I look forward to catching up with you very soon. Bye.